Coding is everywhere. From your TV through the International Space Station, you will find millions of lines of code controlling and delivering the services that we take for granted. Behind all this code are the programmers who develop our digital world, using a multitude of different languages to weave the fabric of the internet, operating systems, games, and modern entertainment. Whatever it's the inside the world's most powerful supercomputer or automating tasks aboard the International Space Station, scripting is the key to effective interaction between systems and people. So the question is where to start learning how to code. This is the most difficult step. There are plenty of programming languages out there and a seemingly unlimited number of tools to help you achieve what you want. But where do you begin? Programmer, developer, coder. They are all titled for the same occupation, someone who creates code. What they are creating the code for can be anything from a video game to a critical element on board the International Space Station. How do you become a programmer though? Choosing a programming language: SQL, JavaScript, Java, C Sharp, Python, C++, Ruby, Perl, Swift. There are many different programming languages available for the modern computer, and some is still available for older 8 and 16-bit computers too. Some of these languages are designed for scientific work, others for mobile platform and such. So why choose Python out of all the rest? Python is a fantastic programming language for beginners, but is also powerful enough to use in environments such as space engineering, science, technology, and even the global stock market. Python's unique ability to be simple to read but capable of coping with huge volumes of data makes it the ideal starting point. Python data science is thought to become the most sought after job in the coming years. Google is the top company for hiring Python developers, closely followed by Microsoft. Data science, blockchain, and machine learning are the fastest growing Python coding skills.